regret everything. Hey guys, in this video I want to show you guys how to make a DIY face mask. I weekly use face masks, but the problem that I have with face masks that are from stores is that they have fragrance in them, and as you can see I am breaking out. I don't know what it's from. I think it's from, honestly, stress, because I just started my second semester and I'm working full-time, and on the side I'm going to nursing school, so it's a lot and I barely even have time to do anything but make a DIY face mask. In this face mask I'm going to use honey, which is good for soothing the skin, and tomatoes, which is good for redness and for dry skin, and lemon juice, which is antibacterial and it is good for your skin, and mint. I don't have mint leaves, but I figured mint tea would be the second best option. So let's get into it. My base is going to be the tomato paste. The add-ons will be the honey, lemon, and mint. And to first start off, I'm going to take my base first. To help thicken my mask, I'm going to put more honey in. I have mixed that all up, more liquidy than I thought it was going to be. Usually using honey, lemon, tomato, and mint. They're all usually one solid type of face mask, where it's like a honey face mask, or a tomato face mask, or a lemon, whatever. So I thought, why not mix all four together and like kill like 4 birds with one stone. I have no idea how my face is gonna react to this. It's all natural, so there shouldn't be anything wrong. With a paintbrush, I'm gonna just put this all over my face. And by the way, this is like the weirdest smell ever, a mix between like mint, tomato, and honey. You can't even smell the lemon. If anyone has noticed, I have a red area right here that's kind of raised. I opened up my car door this morning and I was like so cold because I ran out just in my t-shirt because I wanted to start my car, and I swung the door wide open as hard as possible on my forehead, and I was wearing my glasses. I thought I was gonna break my glasses. So what I'm just gonna do now is lightly layer it. And this is where I ended off. I just kind of kept layering it. It is hard to layer because it is liquid. Like, it's about to drip right now for me. It's kind of a pain. I'll just stay like this for like 20 minutes and expect to have no pimples when I take it off. I'm kidding. But I don't know, I'm expecting some results in a few days, like maybe like less horrible acne, because I'm stressing out about my acne and it's making my acne so much worse. I'm gonna leave this on for 10 minutes or 20. I lied, I'll leave it on for 20 because usually that's how long face masks take. I don't expect this to dry because there's no stuff that's in it that would cause it to dry, like peel off face masks and stuff. This is just like an organic, all natural face mask, so I expect it to keep doing this. I love how this thing keeps sliding off my head. I'm back and it's been on for about 20 minutes. Kind of gross. It kind of like stung a little bit, but nothing where it was like, oh my god, I have to take this off. A lot of the times when I use the face masks or scrubs or peel-offs or anything, mud masks, that are store-bought and they're in their little packages, they're cute and everything. They sound like they're gonna do so much, but there's fragrance in there, again, and my skin, like if I put that on my face, I have to actually take it off 5 minutes into like the session of the face mask because the stinging of it is just so excruciating. It's bad. But this wasn't that bad. I'm actually going to wash it off right now and I'll be right back. honestly, I don't know if this is gonna be like the placebo effect or not, but I think it did so much. On new face masks, I really want a difference. Like, soon as I take it off, I want nothing wrong with my skin. But the stars are aligning on my face. I don't know, I hope what I just did helps. I know that the lemon helps tighten your pores and helps with blackheads and whiteheads, and I've always had an issue with blackheads. It sucks. The first thing people see is your skin, they see your teeth, and they see your eyes, and honestly, my skin sucks, and it even sucks more going out into public when I am breaking out at my worst. But I don't help myself. I literally pick at my skin, like every time I feel like a dry piece, which sounds disgusting, or anything, I literally just pick it off. So I was on Instagram one day, and just kidding, I'm on Instagram every day. But I was on Instagram and I came across a post that said how to get rid of your dark spots and scarring. In one of the slides on the post, it said to use O's Naturals Vitamin C Facial Serum. It has vitamin E, rose hips, vitamin C20, hyaluronic acid, and it's 98.1% natural. I don't know, like the 1.99 that's not natural. It says there's no allergens. It's made in Canada, not made in China. There's a lot of oils. I have been using this usually every night, and in the morning I sometimes use like less than I would at night because it is a serum, so it kind of makes your face oily. And I noticed that when I put this under my foundation, it makes my foundation slip more and my oil peeks through my foundation more. I thought this was the cause of my acne, so I stopped using this for a week or two. So I'm not really quite sure like why my skin's freaking out, but I hope that weird combination of stuff was okay. It doesn't feel bad. My skin, it feels fine. I usually start picking up oil, honestly, within like half hour, an hour. My skin didn't freak out from this. It wasn't stinging, so I hope if anyone else tries it, their skin's fine too. I'm going to guess it will be because you're not pouring straight fragrance into your face mask, which I never have understood the concept of putting fragrance in. Like, it doesn't make sense. And that's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this.